Death. It's the one experience that every human will face, yet it remains the greatest mystery of life. What really happens when you die? Is there something beyond the veil, or is death simply the end? In this video, we'll explore science, religion, philosophy, and personal experiences to uncover what we might expect when life ends. From a medical standpoint, death begins when the heart stops beating, blood no longer circulates, and oxygen stops reaching the brain. Within seconds, consciousness fades. Brain cells begin to die within minutes, and soon the entire body begins the process of decomposition. Yet some research suggests the brain may still be active for several minutes after clinical death, raising fascinating questions. Are those final moments a window into something more? Thousands of people across the world report near-death experiences. Common elements include floating above the body, traveling through a tunnel, meeting deceased loved ones, or encountering a bright, loving light. While skeptics argue these are chemical responses to trauma, others believe NDEs offer a glimpse of the afterlife. Scientists have recorded unusual brain activity moments after death. Could these experiences be more than hallucinations? Throughout history, humans have looked to religion for answers. In Christianity, death is a passage to heaven or hell, based on faith and actions. In Islam, the soul enters a waiting realm, called barzakh, until the day of judgment. Hinduism teaches that the soul is eternal and enters a cycle of rebirth, shaped by karma. Buddhism shares similar views but aims for nirvana, a release from suffering and rebirth. Ancient Egyptians believed in a journey through the afterlife, filled with trials and guided by gods. Some indigenous cultures view death as a transition to a spirit world where ancestors dwell. Each belief offers comfort, structure, and meaning, but none can offer definitive proof. Philosophers have long debated death. Socrates believed death was either a dreamless sleep or a journey to another world. Existentialists like Jean-Paul Sartre saw death as the end, an inevitable void that gives life urgency. Meanwhile, modern thinkers suggest that death reminds us to live fully, knowing that our time is limited. Can consciousness survive death? Some scientists theorize that consciousness might be a fundamental force, like space or gravity, not confined to the brain. Quantum theories and studies of terminal lucidity, where the dying suddenly regain clarity, keep the debate alive. Still, no one truly knows. Perhaps death is not the end, but a transformation into something we can't yet understand. So, what happens when you die? Science tells us how the body shuts down. Religion offers visions of an afterlife. Philosophy invites us to reflect deeply, and human experiences whisper of something more. Death may be the end of our physical story, but perhaps, just perhaps, it's the beginning of something greater. Until that moment comes, what matters most is how we live. Because in facing death, we're reminded of the beauty and urgency of life. What do you believe happens after death? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video thought-provoking, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into life's biggest questions.